Here are my advice to elevate your lash game in 2025. Learn Wispy Lashes, the style that's trending everywhere. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to create stunning wispy lashes using mannequin, perfect for beginner or anyone refining the technique. We will cover everything from preparations, clue selections to creating flawless designs that will make your clients fall in love. Ready to up your lash artistry? Let's get started! Today, I will be walking you through the steps for creating a wispy lash styles. First, we will use paper tape to define the lash line, which ensures positions during application. For lashes, I have broken them into sections, which makes shaping easier and help you improve your technique. The adhesive I'm using here is double fast glue. This is a fast-drying glue that's becoming a favorite among my students. It dries so quickly that once they try it, they don't want to use anything else. However, when choosing a glue, you need to consider humidities and temperature of your environment. I will explain that shortly, but for now, let's focus on shaping the lashes. For this set, I'll be mixing the lash sizes from 8 to 15. The more sizes you use, the more dynamic and natural your lash set will look. However, it's important to adapt each client's preferences. Some prefer a uniform style, while the others love the mixed size effect. In some areas, lash artists only use one size throughout a set, like 13 to start from finish. While this might work for clients who don't know their options, it's essential to keep your skills up to date. If your clients start asking more advanced styles, you don't want to fall behind, right? So always take the opportunity to learn new techniques like mixing lash sizes. For wispy lashes, here's a key tip. Always pick them from the base, not the tip or sides. Picking from the base ensures clean, precise application. This style creates a sharp and defined effect, making your client's eyes look stunning. Wispy lashes are incredibly popular right now, especially among clients who love bold and striking looks. They are also a favorite for lash artists specialized in customized designs, as they follow creative and dramatic results. Let's talk about the glue selection, a question I get asked all the time. Which glue should I use? The answer depends on two things: your skill level and your work environment. Fast-drying glue like double fast are ideal for skilled technicians working in low humidity area. However, in high humidity environment, these glues might not perform as well. The lashes could fall out quickly. Understanding these factors is key to choosing the right adhesive for your needs. Now, let's dive into something truly life-changing: practice. If you have chosen to be in the lash industry, let me remind you, you are in one of the most creative, empowering fields out there. But no matter how natural talent you have, consistent practice is what sets extraordinary lash artists apart from the rest. When I first started, I thought I was doing great. I would look at my work and tell myself, this is good enough. But here's the truth. I was stuck in my own bubble. It wasn't until I stepped out of my comfort zone, attending seminars, workshops, meeting other lash artists, that I realized how much further I could go. Seeing their incredible work was both humbling and inspiring. It wasn't that I wasn't good, it was that I had so much potential waiting to be unlocked. You might feel the same way right now. Maybe you're looking at your work and thinking, I'm doing just fine. Or maybe you're doubting yourself, thinking, I will never be as good as some famous lash artist on TikTok or on Insta. Let me tell you this, you absolutely can. Every great artist, whether in lashes or anything else, started exactly where you are, uncertain, struggling, making mistakes. And the secret here is they practiced. Practice isn't just about perfecting your techniques, it's about building confidence in yourself. Every time you pick up a tweezers, creating a fan, or touching a lash, you are telling yourself, I can do this. And over time, those little moments of progress add up to something extraordinary. Here's what I want you to do. Set aside 15 minutes every single day, just 15 minutes. Creating fans, Practice your glue control, experiment with different styles. You don't need a fancy setup. A mannequin head and your dedications are enough. If you do this consistently, I promise, in just a few weeks, you will start to see some transformation in your work. Let me share a quick story with you. One of my students once told me she didn't think she would ever be able to do wispy lashes. She felt like her hands weren't steady enough, her technique wasn't as good. But every single day, she set aside 20 minutes to practice. She started with shaky hands, uneven lashes, couldn't even pick up a fan. But after a month, her progress was mind-blowing. Today, her wispy lashes are some of the most beautiful things I have ever seen. What made the difference? Her commitment to practice. So why practice? Because your future clients deserve your best work. Because you can see someone look at the mirror and fall in love with how they look, and it will be all worth it. But most importantly, because you deserve to see how great you can be. Remember, this is your journey, and there's no rush to be perfect. There's a need to keep moving forward. Every single lash you place in this world is a step closer to your goals. You've got this. Let's dive into one of the most crucial topics for every lash artist: consistent practice. Whether you are a beginner or already have some experience, practice is your golden ticket to mastery. Progress doesn't happen overnight, but with 15 to 30 minutes every day, the improvement you will see over time will amaze you. It's not just about improving your technique, it's about building muscle memories, confidence, and truly owning your craft. First, start small and build confidence. If you're just starting out, it's totally normal to feel overwhelmed. Maybe your hands tremble when you hold tweezers, or the idea of working on a live model may feel terrifying. That's okay, we have all been there. Start by practicing on a mannequin. It's a low-pressure environment that gives you freedom to experiment, make mistakes, and learn without fear. The mannequin won't judge you, but it helps you improve. Second, focus your practice. Here's my biggest tip: make your practice intentional. Don't just sit down and go through the motions. Decide one specific skill to focus on each session. For example, day 1, working on isolating lashes perfectly. Day 2, practice on creating smooth and symmetrical lash fan. Day 3, focus on applying just the right amount of glue. By breaking it down into manageable steps, you will avoid feeling overwhelmed and notice progress in each area. The 15 minutes challenge. Here's a simple challenge. You put down your phone for 15 minutes today and dedicate that time to practice. Use it to create fan, perfect your isolating technique, or experiment with a new style. Think of it as an investment in your future self. Those small, consistent efforts add up faster than you could ever imagine. But don't stop there. After you practice, join our Lash Professionals Global Network group. Link is in the descriptions. It's a perfect space for you to share your progress and advice and connect with other lash artists who are on the same journey as you. Post your practice photos, show up your work, and let us celebrate with your wins together. I'm always there to cheer you on. Leave comment on your works and give you tips to help you grow. Let's make this journey an inspiring one together. Next, leveling up with live models. Mannequins are a fantastic place to start, but don't stop there. Eventually, you will need to work on live models to take your skills to the next level. Yes, it is scary at first, but every time you step out your comfort zone, you will grow stronger. If you make a mistake, don't panic. It's a part of the process, and your instructor or mentor will be there to guide you. Remember, real clients won't appear perfect either. Practice on live model, prepare for you for any situations. Next, create a practice plan. To make the most out of your time, create a simple practice plan for the week. It will look something like this. Monday, practice fan making technique. Wednesday, focus on mastering glue control. Friday, experimenting with new styles like wispy or cat eye designs. A clear plan helps you track your progress and ensure that you are improving every aspect of your craft. Remember to celebrating the small win. Don't forget to celebrate your progress, whether it's creating your first perfect fan, isolating lashes without struggle, or completing a full set on a mannequin. Those moments matter. Recognizing them keep you motivated and remind you that you are moving forward step by step. Practice builds confidence and mindset. Practice isn't just about improving your hands, it's about strengthening your mindset. Every time you show up, even when you don't like it, you're improving yourself that you are serious about your career. That commitment will take you further than any raw talent ever could. Think about the lash artists you admire the most. Guess what? They all started exactly where you are now. Unsure, making mistakes, struggling with shaky hand. The difference is that they kept going. They didn't stop when it got hard. Neither should you. Here's my challenge to you. Promise yourself to practice every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Write down your commitment in the comment below as a reminder. That way, every time you come back to this video, it will be a little nudge say, hey, don't forget to practice today. Let this video be your checkpoint, a reminder that you are on the right path, and I'm here cheering you on every step of the way. Keep practice, keep pushing, and one day you will look back and be so proud of how far you have come. You've got this. Let me talk about something we all face in this journey: challenges. If you feel stuck, frustrated, or unsure, I want you to know you are not alone. Every successful lash artist has been exactly where you are. And here's the truth, it's completely normal to feel this way. When you're just starting out, it can feel like the hardest part is learning the techniques, getting that fan to open perfectly, or placing the lashes at the right angle. But let me tell you, the real challenges often come from later. Finding clients, building your own business, building your own lash brand. That's why this early day of learning are so important, because it's your foundations, the time to hone your skill, make mistakes, and grow. Every time you pick up the tweezers, you are one step closer to your mastery. And here's how you approach the practice. Focus on small wins. You can pick up lashes and a little more smoothly today than yesterday. Can you place them better angle? Can you make your lash line just a little cleaner? Just a tiny improvement may not feel like much in the moment, but over time, they add up to something extraordinary. Let me give you an example. One of my students was struggling with getting clean lash line. She practiced for weeks, felt like she wasn't improving. But then one day she looked back at her work and realized how far she had come. It wasn't overnight transformation, it was those small, consistent effort that make the difference. I know it's hard to compare yourself to others, especially when you see other lash artists posting stunning work online, having fully booked schedules. But remember, everyone starts somewhere. Those artists also had days when they doubt themselves, when they make mistakes, when they feel like giving up. The difference is they keep going. So can you. You are not just learning a skills, you're building your futures. Every lash you place is an investment in yourself, your confidence, and your career. Don't let the tough days stop you. Use them as a motivation to push harder, because one day you look back at this moment and realize it's all worth it. Keep practicing, keep improving, and most importantly, don't give up. You've got this. Before we finish, I want to remind you every bit of practice counts. If you're consistent, even just 15 minutes a day, you will see the huge progress over time. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become. As you grow in this field, don't forget to stay curious and keep learning. If you have the chance, join workshops and seminars. Last year, I held a seminar on adhesive, which helped many of students understand how to choose the right glue for long-lasting lashes. This year, I'm focusing on sharing my knowledge on classic lashes, volume lashes, and mega volume lashes technique. It might sound simple, but mastering the basic lay foundations for everything else. I want to thank everyone who support my videos and seminar. Excuse my poor English. Your dedications to learning inspire me to keep sharing my knowledge. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or reach out to me directly on Facebook group. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Keep practice, stay patient, trust that your hard work will pay off. And now enjoy the rest of the tutorial. Wispy lashes are more than a trend. They are game changers for any lash artist. In this video, we have broken down the steps to mastering them, from preparations to perfect placement. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit like and share it with your lash tips friend. Got questions or need advice? Drop them in the comments and I will personally respond. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you're the first to see my latest tutorials. This is Monica from CIULA Lash, wishing you success and creativity in your lash journey. See you in the next video.